Yeah, so today we're installing this navigation bracket on the Cfmoto 450MT. It's just off Aliexpress. Comes in a few pieces which we'll assemble, and that goes up here. I'll show you that in a sec. First of all, I'll assemble this, just put some through screws and assemble the bracket there. Yeah, so these just have the screws, washer, go in there and tighten them up nice and tight. Yeah, so just so you see how it goes, that bracket will be sitting just in there. Alright, let's go to it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do to make life easy is we're just going to take off the windscreen by removing these four bolts through there. Okay. So, yeah, once we remove the 4 bolts, the windscreen just comes off. Then, next thing we're going to do is remove these 2 bolts here. Now, with the bracket you get some longer screws with the bolts which are needed to go the extra distance, and they just basically go down through there. I'm going to put some Loctite on that before we go any further. There we go, so just turn and then just tighten those bolts up there. There we go. Yep, so it's installed there. It doesn't affect the operation of the rise of the windscreen, and we'll mount the GPS to there. Anyway, it's just a matter then of putting your windscreen back on with the 4 bolts. Yep, so now just a matter of tightening those bolts up. There we go. And there we go. Navigation bracket installed. And again, it doesn't affect the operation of the rising screen.